to the arm sideboard. Yes. Arms to the let's do basic movements. Should be. Ready. Left leg step forward. Downward block. 1, 2. Upper block. 1, 2. Double arms, middle block. 1, 2. Third, knife and block. Back stance, back stance.
Sir,
Gabriel. Ready. 2. Knife and middle block. 1. Open your hand. Open your hand like this. Open this. Open this. And then let it. Stay. Back stance, Aaron. Oh no, back stance like this. Bend. Bend your back leg. Ready. One more. 1. 1. Knife and middle block. 1. Move forward. 1. 2. Okay. It's time, huh? It's time. Third. This one. Leg chop. Reverse punch. Step forward. Kung ano yung pinang-punch, siya yung mag-neck chop. Okay? Reverse neck chop. 1. Reverse punch. Okay? Neck chop. Reverse punch. Okay, neck chop. Reverse punch. Step forward. Neck chop. Reverse punch. Last one. Neck chop. Reverse punch. Okay, everybody. Move back.